What's up, guys? Got another Nike outlet find here for you. I got a bunch of Kyrie 4s, as you can see, and by the time you see this video I probably won't have this many. I'll probably have a few left, maybe one or two. This is the Kyrie 4 Halloween colorway, as you can see. They drip pretty hard, and I'll let you know why I'm saying that in a second. The box is pretty conventional, Kyrie 4 box. I like the Kyrie box, it's really nice. I'm gonna open these up here. Bam, that's what I'm saying, drip too hard. You know what I'm saying? This is the Halloween colorway, black and green. They got this drip going on. Look at that. It's scary. It's nice, I like it. Let me know what you think of this colorway in the comment section below. I'm gonna throw them on, you can see how they look. If you want these, you can probably check them out on StockX. There'll be a link in the description below. I'm sure you will be able to find a reasonable deal on StockX. I like these sneakers a lot. I'm a huge fan of the Kyrie lineup for basketball in general. The other thing I want to mention is like this Nike logo right here, that's like patent leather. It's pretty nice. It's kind of shiny. This side is even nicer. Like, look at that. It's got this like Halloween colorway to it. Like, that's pretty fire. This kind of like suede pattern here is kind of cool too. I like these kicks a lot. I'm gonna zoom in here. I'm gonna throw these on. Let me know what you think of them. I'm gonna throw them on right now. Finally got the Kyrie 4s on foot. Very nice colorway. As I was saying before, if you like them, check them out on StockX. There's a link in the description. It'll support the channel a little bit. Fire sneakers. They drip too hard, as I was saying previously. Get it? I'm just playing. Again, a lot of you asked about the pants. There's going to be a link in the description to buy a pair of those. They stack really well. These are Scotch and soda. Pretty fire if you ask me. I get a size that's too long for me so that they stack. So like I wear a 30-34. Usually I should probably wear like a 30-30, but I like the extra length on the pants. Let me know what you think of these in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel. Kyrie 4s are pretty nice. They've been out for a while. My favorite is the Kyrie 2. I think it's one of the best basketball shoes I've ever had. Ultimately, I just want to show you the last couple details about these shoes before I go. Like, the tongue has got this disgusting Kyrie Halloween logo on it. It's in leather. It's pretty nice if you ask me. The outside of the shoe drips real hard. There's no question about it. Like, that's pretty sick. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Check out the links in the description. Subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.